Hello today, this is my Hewlett-Packard DC7100 CMT computer. I've already done a review on this, so I'm not going to review it. What I want to do, this case is getting a little bit scratched, a little bit tatty, the front casing's broken at the front, the clips are broke. But what I want to do, so I've got some spare cases, some nicer cases. What I want to do is put this, all the motherboard, everything out of it. I think that might be a bit too big to put into another case. If it's possible, you know, take it all out of this case, put it into another case, like not another one of these, just basically one you buy. Right? I've got a couple laying around doing nothing. I'm just wondering if it's possible to, unfortunately, I'll ignore that, don't worry about that. So something just popped up on my phone there, ignore that. Just wondering if it's possible to put this into another case. The only problem is, usually on these branded PCs, all you get is a on and off button. On the power supplies is no on and off switch. That's basically what you get. But I noticed this is the front panel, where you plug in the front panel, but on the case itself it's just, get it out, it's like one big plug thing. So I wonder if there is I've looked online. Right, let's have a look. There's the front panel pins. If there's any way, if anyone's got a manual or no way I can download a manual for this section, what pins plug where, if I was putting it into another case. So that's the problem I've got. Even if it is possible to put into another case, because I do not know where the pins go. Let's plug that back in. Right. So I don't know if it's actually possible, isn't it, going back in. Oh god. There we go. Yeah, it's not. It's an old PC. I know it's probably about 10 years old, older than that. But you know, it works well. Still, I've got a few PCs, but you know, I don't want to just chuck it out. It works perfectly well. I know the case. It's just. The case is a little bit tatty. Just want to put it in another case, that's all. I just wonder if it's possible. If, as I said before, if there's any links to a motherboard, any instructions about the motherboard. I've looked online, but all it's telling me about the specs. I don't care about the specs. I just want like a manual for it or something like that. What plugs go where and anything like that. So, if there's anyone out there, please be kind to let me know, and let me know if it's even possible. I'm sure this power supply unit, I've got other power supply units, so that's not a problem. That's one a little too big to put into a normal case, but that's not a problem. I've got other power supplies, and I think it will fit that. It is the newer ATX, the latest ATX cases, power supplies, so got other power supply units for work, but I just want to put it in another case, that's all. Please, yeah, as I said before, let me know if there's any way, any links we can show me, because I've tried looking, I can't find anything. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Till next time, and goodbye.